Welcome to the Top Best. The best Dodge Challenger is probably one of the most iconic American muscle cars, boasting a powerful engine, aggressive styling, and a thrilling driving experience that continues to captivate automotive enthusiasts worldwide, offering a unique blend of retro charm and modern performance that sets it apart in a competitive market. Number 5. Maisto 2008 Dodge Challenger SRT8 Model Kit. Unleash your inner mechanic with this highly detailed model kit. It includes everything you need for assembly, even the screwdriver. Experience realistic features with opening parts and functional rolling wheels. This replica brings the excitement of a real car to your fingertips. Enjoy a hassle-free building experience thanks to its easy assembly. The pre-painted metal body ensures a sleek finish right from the start. Once completed, this model is fully functional, offering a dynamic and engaging display piece. It's more than just a model, it's a rolling die-cast replica. This is a true rolling die-cast replica, capturing the essence of the original vehicle. It's a perfect addition for collectors and enthusiasts alike. What we like. This model offers a straightforward building experience with its pre-painted metal body. It's a fully functional rolling replica once assembled. If you're looking for a quick and satisfying project that results in a functional model, this is a great choice. What people say. Very nice model, attention to detail is great. This set does not require glue and the body is already painted. So this is a good starter. Great die-cast replica of my car. Even has choice of 2 different sets of rims, one matches mine exactly. Number 4. Maisto 124 2008 Dodge Challenger SRT8. Introducing the Maisto 124 Scale 2008 Dodge Challenger SRT8. This iconic muscle car is meticulously recreated for collectors and enthusiasts. Measuring approximately 7 to 12 inches long, this replica captures the essence of the original vehicle in a convenient scale. It features a durable die-cast metal body complemented by detailed plastic components, ensuring a premium feel and lasting quality. Experience realistic details with opening doors on all models, and on some, opening hoods and trunks. The detailed chassis further enhances its authenticity. This particular model comes in a striking blue color, though please note that colors may vary, adding a unique touch to your collection. It's a perfect scaled replica for any car enthusiast, bringing the thrill of classic American muscle right to your display shelf. What we like. This scaled replica boasts a durable die-cast metal body and intricate plastic details. It features opening doors and sometimes hoods or trunks, along with a detailed chassis. If you appreciate realistic details and the ability to interact with the model's features, this one is for you. What people say. The model is a very nice replica of my car and looks great on the end table. Good quality, nice decor for a car lover. Love all the little details that were put into it. I received this item just a few days ago and I am very satisfied. I luckily received the blue one, and the color is perfect. Some kind of light, royal blue, just like in the picture. The model itself is great, especially if you like the new generation of American muscle cars. Number 3. AMT 2009 Dodge Challenger RT125 Scale Model Kit. Introducing the AMT 2009 Dodge Challenger RT Model Kit. This kit allows you to recreate the powerful modern muscle icon with precise detailing. Experience an authentic build with this 125 scale model. It features finely molded parts for a realistic representation. This kit includes high-quality components. You'll find chrome-plated parts, clear elements, and realistic tires for an exceptional finish. Make it your own with customization options. Detailed decals and clear assembly instructions are included to guide your build. It's the ideal project for automotive enthusiasts and collectors. Enjoy a rewarding building experience with this iconic model. What we like. This kit allows you to recreate a modern muscle icon with exceptional precision. It includes detailed decals and offers customization options for a truly personalized build. If you are a hobbyist seeking a rewarding and authentic building experience with a focus on customization, this model kit is ideal. What people say. Great purchase. Nice curbside kit. The kit arrived much quicker than expected, all pieces were accounted for. Very happy with my purchase. Number 2. Motormax 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat 124 Diecast Model. Introducing the Motormax All-Star Toys exclusive 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Widebody Destroyer Grey. This is an officially licensed product, capturing the essence of the iconic muscle car. It's a meticulously crafted 1/24 scale collectible model, measuring approximately 7.5 inches long, 3 inches wide, and 2.75 inches high. Perfect for display or play. Constructed from durable die-cast metal with detailed plastic parts and realistic rubber tires, this model offers a premium feel and authentic look. Experience the attention to detail with its opening doors, showcasing a glimpse of the interior. While the hood and trunk do not open, the exterior is faithfully recreated. This model comes pre-assembled and ready to be showcased. It is not a building kit, so you can enjoy it right out of the box. What we like. This is an officially licensed collectible model, arriving pre-assembled for immediate display. It features opening doors, offering a glimpse into its interior. If you prefer a ready-to-display, officially recognized replica with interactive doors, this is a fantastic option. What people say. She loves it and it matches her car almost. It looked exactly like his. The only thing I didn't like was the fact the hood couldn't be propped open. Other than that, it was great. Bought the model as a gift for my son because it looked just like his Challenger. Number 1. 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Widebody Diecast Model. Introducing a stunning 1/24 scale replica of the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Widebody. This model captures the aggressive stance and iconic design of the original. Finished in a striking white with a contrasting black hood, this diecast model is a true representation of automotive excellence. It's designed to impress with its detailed paintwork. Crafted by Motormax, this model car boasts meticulous attention to detail. Every curve and contour has been faithfully reproduced for a realistic feel. This 1/24 scale diecast is an ideal addition to any collection. Its quality and accuracy make it a standout piece for enthusiasts. Own a piece of muscle car history with this exquisite replica. It's more than just a model, it's a tribute to American performance. What we like. This pre-assembled die-cast model showcases a visually striking white and black hood color scheme. It's ready to be displayed right out of the box. If you love bold aesthetics and want a high-quality, ready-made replica with a distinctive look, this model is a standout. What people say. Product came exactly as pictured, pretty happy it looks just like my Challenger. There is so much detail that went into the making of this model. The media could not be loaded. Product came exactly as pictured, pretty happy it looks just like my Challenger. There is so much detail that went into the making of this model, some of the paint could be better for sure. Home display, I love the way it looks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.